Hello my lovelies, and a very happy Christmas day to you. I feel like the Queen, although we've got a king now, but I feel like the Queen on Christmas Day. So I thought I'd just do a quick video, a very festive flip through of my 2023 December daily 12 days of Pickmas. The other journal, as you can see, they're always stuffed to the gunnels, and I like Christmas journals that are gay to mouth. It shows you've had fun. I've done the main tags in here. I did that earlier on in December, so I will link that in the cards. So if you missed that, you can have a look at that. But yeah, she'll be going away. So we have this year's Christmas journal. I've got some lovely braiding, Indian braiding there that's holding it all together. And yeah, we've got the pages with all the, in case I needed any of the ephemera, and we'll go to day one. So we had a winter landscape, and it was day one and turned out to be the 12th in the end, because obviously I was in hospital. So I've done a collage there, and then on this side we've got a great big pocket, and this is where I used the gorgeous leftovers from printing out some whale tail tags, and it's given us some beautiful windows to fill up with all Christmas goodies. So that one can go in there, and that one in there. Okay, day two, baubles and snow globes. So we've got some snow globes there dangling on some Indian paper thread. We have a tag at the top, and it's for secret journaling. You can undo that ribbon and write inside there. Then we can take these two off. We've got a flip through there for some more journaling. I tend to just leave them now as is. They're just in my collection of Christmas journal December dailies I've done. We've got a nice tag there, backed with some nice maroon card. Another bauble there. We made our own baubles with some bling at the top to look like the fastening. So the 14th we did carols and all things Christmas music, festive music, and so we've just done a little flippy thing there with Good King Wenceslas. And then I did the tiers here of all my favourite Christmas carols, and put a little bit of glitter on there. And we've got the 14th of December there. Next, Dickensian Christmas. This was using the lovely kit from Shabbydabbydoodah, Tina, and we made some tags. Now she's held out, guys. Her head's not dropped off yet, so we can hope. We used that Dickensian lady as a tag topper, and I think we'll put this in first, in the first pocket there, and then she goes behind. Of course, this is put in using the Midori style, so we've got the elastics. We've just got a Christmas carol, Ode by Charles Dickens, ode to that, and then we've got a little dangle of which we made ready for December dailies. I've put some lace on there to channel my inner Tina, because she always uses loads of lovely laces in her journals, and a twisted cord thread that I made myself. Then we had all things angels, and I really enjoyed, well, I've enjoyed all of them, but in true Blue Peter style, I've got my handmade angel. I've got some printings of angel stamps. Sing the song of angels, walk the path of peace. 'Tis a season of hope and love everlasting. David Samuels, I like that. We have our angel tag in the lovely window. There she is, and she's got little danglies there. This page obviously was when I just put some of my handmade tags in there. We've got a little bit of a flat lay, so we're not too bulky. It is bulky anyway, but and then in this pocket I've backed one of the tags from Dickensian Christmas, one of the papers, sorry, and this from the lovely December dailies on Tracie 2023. Next on here, this was the 17th of December. So the 6th day of Pickmas, Let It Snow. So I did all sorts of fake snow with lots of textures in here. Let It Snow label. On this side we have a pocket, one of the lovely envelopes from Tracie's kit. Let It Snow. And then we've just got a Christmas stag in there. Doesn't want to go back in, does he? And that's inside a lovely vellum pocket. Day 20. What was this? I can't remember. Was it All Things Stars? Yes, All Things Stars. So it's the 19th of December. We've got an array of different stars made there. We've got some lovely star fabric, jingle bells. We've got Muff Girl in because she's not made an appearance this year. So there she is. And, you know, just some little finishing off pieces. A mince pie round and a star there on this side. And we have just a couple of tags and some fabric to give it a bit of texture. There's another Muff Girl there, look. Another Muff Girl there, Nola. It's our in-standing joke every year about Muff Girl, or Toilet Roll Girl, as I think I first called her. Looks like she was carrying a toilet roll around. This is when I was unable to film, so I've put a tag on there, and again another tag there, and some Christmas paper as the pocket. I don't know why I put that. I don't think I needed that. 21, another day I wasn't able to film, but I had this. I can't remember, this was from one of Tracie's December dailies last year, I think. So that flips down, so you've got some writing space in there, and then that stops it falling down. Holly and the Ivy. Then I did a bird theme, so my day 18 for the collaboration with Tracie Fox Creative. The card that I made is downstairs. I've put it on my alcove at the side of my fireplace, but this is the envelope that I made for it, a policy envelope. And I've just made a little flip up envelope there, and then one of my birds, and we've got our birds peeking through there. I think I decided, because it didn't fit that great, did I put another tag in there? No, I could have done. I could put another Christmas tag in there if I want. Okay, and just got this lovely bird on there. Then, yesterday, no, 23rd, I finished it off a little bit, so I did some highlighting of the presents. And this was our presents under the Christmas tree. We used the baubles that we made pre-December daily. I'll link those two videos. So it's the baubles and the 1 to 7 or 1 to 8 tags that I did. And it turned out okay. I did a bit of colouring in. We put some bling on the tree, and it has all stuck down really well. It hasn't come undone, so I was quite pleased with that. So that was yesterday. No, sorry, the 23rd. And then yesterday we had the Nutcracker, and there they are. There's the soldiers all guarding the fortress. We've got a bit of a poinsettia theme here as well, there and there. And so I did a card, a little card there. And then we did, oh, that's stuck. Didn't want that to stick. Here we have a little envelope with some information about the ballet that took place in the States. And we've got Prima Ballerina there. We've got part of the adverts. It's not coming undone. I did quite a deep pocket there, so it's not coming undone. It just looks like it is. And then I did a dangle with a leather dangle that must have come on a handbag or something. I don't know. And that is there ready for today, the 25th of, obviously, I've not really done anything. I've just got a little card that I'd made out of my Porch Prints kit, Winter Wonderland, and actually that make a wonderful January journal. I put 2 cards in there, journaling cards. And then obviously we've got the other itty bitties of ephemera that we could have used. And then at the back I've actually put an envelope in of some Christmas a bill, I think, an invoice, and I've made a writing board because there's a lot of uneven surfaces in this, isn't there? So I've done a writing board. So there we have it. That is my offering for this year for the 2023 December journal. Thank you so much for everyone that has supported us this year. And thank you to the wonderful Tracie Fox, who believed in me to have on her team and part of her DD collaboration for this year. So without further ado, I think it's time to go and put my feet up. So have a wonderful few days, have a rest, time to chill, spend some time with loved ones, and I will see you next time. Happy Christmas.